Here's a short and engaging YouTube script based on your keywords: Nissan, engine, back, front, headlights, taillights, indicator, gear, engine, seats. You can use this as a walk around or intro video. YouTube script: Nissan full car review. Opening shot: Nissan exterior front view. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're checking out a stylish and powerful ride, the Nissan. Camera zooms in on the front. Let's start from the front. Look at these sleek headlights, sharp, modern, and built to turn heads. The front grille design gives it a bold presence on the road. Shot of the engine with hood open. Under the hood, we've got a clean, fuel-efficient engine. Nissan engines are known for their balance of performance and reliability, this one's no different. Side angle, showing indicators and gear. Check out the side indicators, smooth flow with great visibility. And inside, the gear shift feels solid and responsive, perfect for both city and highway driving. Back view of the car. Around the back, the tail lights give it a modern look, bright and clear even in low light. A compact design with just the right touch of attitude. Interior shot, seats or cockpit. Inside, the seats are built for comfort, whether you are on a long trip or a quick city ride. Soft, spacious, and stylish. Closing shot, full car with music. So that's a quick tour of this Nissan beauty, front, back, inside and out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car walk-arounds and reviews. Let me know if you want to add a specific Nissan model, voiceover, or music recommendations. Nissan Malaysia Overview. Nissan Malaysia is operated by Edaran Tan Chong Motor SDN BHD, ETCM, the sole distributor in the country, with assembly plants in Serinda and Segambut producing models like the Almira, Serena, X-Trail, and dealer network or showrooms. 597 se safar nationwide presence with over 83 authorized Nissan dealers in more than 52 cities. Waqf Tam. Models or pricing, as of mid-month 2025. Model category price range, room, commercial van Almira turbo sedan Navara pickup truck hybrid SUV X-Trail Leaf electric hatchback 1,68,888. Key features or highlights. Waqf Tam. Waqf Tam. Latest news from Nissan Malaysia. Waqf Tam. Waqf Tam. Waqf Tam. Summary. Nissan Malaysia offers a well-rounded portfolio, from budget-friendly commercial vans to hybrid, electric vehicles, supported by a robust dealer network and modern showrooms built to global retail standards. Whether you are interested in test drives, pricing, technical specs, or showrooms near you, just let me know, and I'll help you explore further. Welcome back my YouTube channel. Here's a YouTube intro script based on your message for a channel featuring Nissan engine, Boxer engine, side cluster, and Thai-style custom features like antiquator and the King seat detailing. YouTube channel script, intro style. Opening shot, Nissan logo fades in, then a modified car engine close-up. Voiceover or on-screen text. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we dive deep into a powerful mix, Nissan engine meets Boxer style setup, with side cluster mods straight from Thailand. Featuring antiquator design, inspired by the King seat line, this build is royal, raw, and ready for the street. Don't forget to subscribe for more custom engine tech, Thailand car culture, and rare tuning secrets. Cut to engine revs, side cluster close-up, Thai stickers or the King decal. If you'd like this translated into Urdu, Malayu, or another language, or want a version with background music, sound effects, or video timing, just let me know. Here's a YouTube intro script for your channel idea combining Nissan engine, girl, possibly model or host, and spare partition. This could be a vlog or car build content. YouTube channel script, Nissan engine, girl, spare partition. Opening shot, Nissan engine revving, camera zoom on parts, then girl model, host walks into frame. Voiceover or host speaking. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unlocking the power of the Nissan engine. With a full look at the spare partition setup, custom mods, and sleek design. Our feature host is here to guide you through every detail, style meets speed. From engine bay to rear build, it's all about beauty and performance. Cut to close-up of spare partition, wiring, and girl pointing at parts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more builds, more style, and more Nissan power. Let me know if this is for a vlog, shorts, or car show style channel, so I can tailor it better, or if you want it in Urdu, Bahasa, or with specific engine names like SRB's Det, VQ35DE, etc.